So the conclusion for this is quite interesting. Generally, you will find in attached file, this file exactly. Here we'll have our testings of the engine. It will be the testing of a prompting for our sky, exactly the easiest prompt option. Second, here we'll find at the bottom option where we try to prompt different skies, which engine is the best. I mentioned you in the past tutorials. Here you'll find the best connections of our source image with our sky, NanoBanana. And we used also different engines to select the best one. Of course, at this moment, as I mentioned, NanoBanana Pro and NanoBanana was the best one for me. And in this file, you will also find full information, full details about our past tutorials. So feel free to use it, feel free to test it, simply upload it, use the images, use the same prompts. Like, feel free to use it as your own preset for the Sky workflow, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye.